afternoon, everybody. This is Karen March from Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, and I'm at 3 Urchin Manor up by Bradley Beach. So we're at the north end of the island, and we're having a great house tour for Beach Properties. We met the owner today, and it's very exciting. So we happen to be glancing at, these are Bottlebrush plants, and it is amazing, and I didn't even know that they were very attractive to the butterflies. So we've got a couple different butterflies, and this is fascinating. Now look, we've got our palm tree. This is our state tree, which is the cabbage palm, and fabulous pine tree here. And then of course, you guys have to remember, we just came through a tropical storm, so the pool won't be, it'll be a cleaner color when we get it done. But everybody's recovering. Thank God Hurricane Irma passed us by, so we only had a few trees that went down. But then you've got your ocean in the background, and I'm going to go up to a higher level so you can see more. But guys, this is third row from the ocean. You can't beat it. And it's a terrific place to have your kids. And again, for you nature lovers out there, there's going to be plenty of shorebirds out there. And if you're into butterflies, I'll tell you what, this is the time of year to come to Hilton Head. All right, we're signing off live with the Bottlebrush plant. It's Karen Martz. Have a great day.